डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सोना गुप्ता प्रॉपर्टीज़। और मैं विनोद गुप्ता रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट बोल रहा हूँ। मैं आज सेक्टर 18 और 20 जो याडा अथॉरिटी के प्लॉट्स हैं वहाँ पर आया हूँ। ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। ये देखिए सामने यमुना एक्सप्रेस वे है जिसको बिल्डिंग्स आप देख रहे हैं, और इससे बिल्कुल नीचे हम उतरे हैं जो सेक्टर 18 और सेक्टर 20 है। यू कैन सी दोज बिल्डिंग्स, दे आर ऑन द अपोजिट साइड and in between is the Yamuna Expressway. You can see the vehicles passing through. Just see this, and there we have the God City, that is sector 19. Then we have sector 18 after this. You can see those buildings, that is Yamuna God City, which has lot of high-rise buildings, commercials, plots, villas. And this is, you can see sector 18 and sector 20 board. From here, this is the way through which you get into sector 18. This is sector 18, this is sector 20, just right opposite. And you have a great road going ahead into industrial area. Then we have the film city, and after that around 5 to 6 kilometers from here we have the airport that is coming up in a very big area. And we have a lot of traffic passing on this road as on date also. And in case we have our investments into this area for 4 to 5 years, then that will multiply 4 to 5 times. Lot of public transport is also available on this road. You can see it. Further, you have that Yamuna Expressway leading from Greater Noida to Agra. With these buildings, you see those buildings, just in front of that Yamuna Express passes. And this, we have further this, it's a busy place as on date. And further you can see the signboard, and from here it starts sector 18. You have the different pockets into this. Then sector 20 on the opposite side, and sector 20 is attached to Film City. Then we have the industrial plots, and with those industrial plots we have the airport. Then that will lead to Jewar, which is called the Jewar International Airport. This is going to be the biggest international airport, and I am showing you all the videos. You can well feel the presence. These are high-rise buildings of God Yamuna City. Lot of buildings. I hope you can see some other structures also. You can see those structures coming up, and this is what you can have a feel of the residential plots that will come up, which are of the size of 300 square meters, 500 square meters, 1000 square meters, 2000 square meters, and 4000 square meters. Along with this, we have the industrial plots also. There will be a huge requirement, and all over India people are going to invest into these areas and give it 5 years and take back 5 times the amount that you are investing as on date. Further, I will be showing you some other videos also. Thank you.